If you need to tow your Ford Fiesta, there is a tow hook hidden here. You see, I got out my spare wheel, and here I have this thing, and here is the tow hook. So this is the tow hook. So here is the place you will need to install it. And different Fiestas it may be different, because I have this style of bumper, and so it's here, and I can use the metal screwdriver to open it because I will not damage any paint. If you have this small circle thing, you will need something plastic, because you will otherwise damage the paint and it will cost you quite a lot to fix it. So here is the thing, and one trick with this tow hook is that it have a reverse thread. So if you try to screw it clockwise, it will not fixate in that place. You will need to turn it counterclockwise. And when you finish, you will need to also fasten it with something to make sure it will not vibrate in that place, because it will destroy, otherwise it will destroy the thread and you will have troubles. And I don't recommend using this tow hook for a long time. So if you just need to tow your Fiesta for several miles, it's quite okay. But if you need to tow it for 50 miles or something, you better call a tow truck. It will be eventually cheaper for you, because if you destroy that thread, this hook may go out like a bullet and damage your car and damage the car that tows you.